So that's what we got going on up here. We got the Old Bay chips. We got four-wheelers. We got Dech finishing up the floor over here. We got orange soda. We got chopped saws, table saws, jigsaw, and we got a sunset. Look at that. The whole system is 12 volt.
So you don't plug into an outlet?
No.
With those?
It's wired. It's all wired right here.
It's like a transformer.
Bam. That's my battery.
You did all that?
Yeah.
Damn, dude.
YouTube, bro.
That's impressive.
YouTube. It's I shouldn't have put it there. Like it's like if I need to work on something, it's kind of hard to get to, but I can still do it.
It's impressive shit.
Yeah, nothing burned down. One time accidentally I touched the I was hooking one wire up there. I had a screwdriver and it touched like the end of the positive.
Get you.
It didn't hit me, but like the spark was so rich
and bright.
Yeah. It was like beautiful, you know. It's like I knew I would never do that again.
And give us a flat edge to like put that up against, which I think that's what I'm gonna do.
Hey, bro, it's your project right now. You know what I'm saying? Facts. Like, you're finishing it up, man. I trust you, man. I wouldn't have brought it.
And then when you're in Wyoming and look down and be like, motherfucker. And they're packed.
I was just about to say that. We're getting there. We're, like, at the final, like, board on the floor, and it, like, looks freaking dope. Like, I'm so pleased. Is that like the width of one more board?
I think it's a little big, but we'll see here.
You might have to rip it.
4 and it might be, dude.
So you have to cut one piece to fit there?
4 3/4. Yeah, one little piece to fit there. Yeah.
I got you. He is getting this in right here. This is like the final. Like the final piece, you had to put some time into that. Get this to go around this little weird corner. People think that building out a van is easy, but they're unaware that there's no straight turns. And the curves and the things that you're building around aren't normal. They're not normal like ways. So you got to put extra time in it to get it done right. that looks so freaking perfect.
And then I'll be able to knock that back with a little tap, 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 bro. Come on, you bitch. All right, hold on, we're almost done.
Damn, bro, we getting it. We getting it. We getting it. This man got that ADD focus going on, that Adderall focus on right now.
Oh, sorry.
You're good, brother. You good? Did you hear that, guys? He said,
oh, I gotta do the middle piece. Yeah, I'm sorry. Everything I fucking picked up was backwards. Jesus. Oh, I should have done. This works out. Maybe I'll spin it around. Give you the finished edge down there.
he's got numbers on all the pieces so he can make all those cuts perfectly and put them back into place perfectly. Oh, that looks great. See the wiring back there. What? You look like you have a question or something.
Me?
Yeah.
Nope, I'm good.
You sure?
Yep.
Don't sound like it. Lighting.
So you do streaks. You just kind of do that. So like you can like draw something.
It's got the number 2 pencils out here.
Ticonderogas, baby.
That's what it's called?
And then I'll put
Yeah, Ticonderoga. Ticonderoga number 2.
Ticonderoga. You got the family bonding inside the van, yo. I love it, man. This is like awesome.
As long as you close the doors with them, it's still in there.
Trust me. Ooh, he's got another nice piece, perfectly cut. Just hit it with a mallet, bro.
I think it's down. That's good.
I'll never be walking on it. I know that. This dude be getting it in, yo. I've enjoyed watching you today.
Like 7 7/8. I like 7 7/8. Nah.
That's the very last piece right there that he's putting in. Let's turn the ISO up for this one. Go up to 4,000. We're gonna zoom in on that. Look at that. Boom.
All right, dude.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it for the camera, but I am gonna put that last 2-inch sliver in because it's gonna drive me nuts.
This is actually the last cut. Like this one right here is the final cut. He's trying to get that shit perfectly.
Well, how do you do that?
You put in
There he is. Working out this is actually the final piece. He just slid in there. Oh wait, let me pull this forward actually.
Yeah.
The table, the chair.
Cause I pulled this. Gotcha.
And get this out of your way. He said that last piece was gonna drive him crazy.
Yeah, it is.
Looks like it's gonna drive him crazy trying to get it in there.
How big is it here? Let me just rip another 1/4 inch off of that.
Sorry. Oh, you're good, babe. Just going back to make one more adjustment there, folks. Yo, dude, you need a micro jig, man.
Huh?
You need a micro jig so you're not putting your fingers in there.
Yeah, that scares me. I'm used to it now.
Damn, he really did that, man.
I told you,
That's
man.
crazy.
I didn't want that just sitting back there like that. So I got a little bit here, but
Just so you, there's like, no, dude, that don't count. Just so you know, if you ever like look at this van, this floor was completely finished all the way to the end. That is freaking amazing.
for a good cause for a good dude.
Thank you, bro. I appreciate that, man. We're basically like done. We've come so far along, man.